Hi, my name's Alec from Pegasus. I'm here today to talk to you about the Pegasus exclusive sliding drawer system that we've designed for all pickups. One of the added features that we've introduced this year for the 2021 model is a central locking system on the drawer system here, but I'll explain about that in a minute. First of all, we've got this sliding tray at the top, which when you're storing goods on the top you can easily access by sliding the tray out to two positions, which locks off here, so that if you want stuff at the front it's easy. If you then want to go further on, you can just walk around the side and access easily. You've also got these lashing points which you can slide up and down to different positions, just twist it and it locks off and it's secure with bungee straps or whatever it may be, whatever you're carrying in position. And then just pull on this lever, slide it back so into position. The other thing that we've got here is the sliding drawer system, which, as I say, slides out all the way back to a very, well, the whole length of that sliding tray is the capacity you've got. And then locks off accordingly. Now, one of the bugbears of this system is that you have to have a separate key, which on this new model we've got here is there, which you then got to lock, or remember to lock everything off every time you use it. With the new system, we've integrated a central locking system so that when you lock the vehicle, you lock the drawer system as well. And when you unlock the vehicle, you release the sliding drawer cabinet. Now that's useful when you, in situations where you, let's say you've locked the vehicle, close it up, as I say, lock the vehicle, and then you get away from the vehicle and you think, oh, did I lock the drawers? Are my tools safe in there? This way, by having central locking, you forget about that. When you lock the vehicle, you know the drawer system is locked. When you unlock the vehicle, you know that the drawer system is unlocked. So that's the new feature, which is an option. It's only £100 extra, but it's an option on the sliding drawer system that we've introduced for the 2021 model. Thank you for listening.